Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. But if you guys are new here, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So happy to have you here today. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Hoya collection, and I've recently been into Hoyas a lot more than I was in the past. I would say it's a new passion. So I'm so excited to share with you guys because I did pick up quite a few recently. So my collection has grown a little bit more than it has. But let me share with you guys the first one that I ever bought, and I don't even know what it is, so hopefully you guys can tell me. So this is the very first Hoya I ever bought, and it was just listed under like assorted Hoya online, so I don't even know what it was. I kind of always assumed it was a pubic calyx splash. However, I did recently purchase a pubic calyx splash and they look nothing alike. So let me share with you guys a close-up of these two. I guess you could say they look kind of alike, and maybe they are, but just the leaves on this one are so much longer. However, I know this is a much more established plant because it's much larger, but I don't know. I'm kind of confused as to what this is. I've literally had it for a year and a half, and it gave me one new leaf, which is this one. The others are what it came with, and it's just such a slow grower. So I'm like, could it be a pubic calyx splash? I don't think so because it's such a slow grower. If you guys know what this is, can you please let me know in the comments down below. If it is just a pubic calyx splash, let me know because I'm just really curious. But overall, it's just been pretty easy to take care of. It's just such a slow grower, which is odd, but whatever. So then that's the first one. The second one is this pubic calyx splash that I recently got at a nursery here in Houston. I really like it. The cool thing about this nursery is it was just very, very affordable, and I got this one for $20, and it's been growing like crazy since I've got it. That's one thing I really love about Hoyas, is just how fast they grow, like besides that first one. This leaf right here and this one were not there before. I'm really excited for it to get just a little bit longer so that I can propagate it. But I really love that about Hoyas and how they grow on a vine like that and then the leaves come out after. Like, it's just so cool to me. I don't know if they all grow that way, but all the ones that I have do grow that way, so I really like that. The next one I want to share with you guys is one that I can't physically hold, but I'll insert a clip of what it looks like. It is my Hoya Australis, and the reason I can't show you guys is because it's wrapped itself around my plant shelf and I don't want to disturb it. It's been like this for a few months now, so I think it's pretty well established around my shelf, and I'm really happy with how it's been growing like that. So that's another thing. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know I love trailing houseplants, and the fact that Hoyas vine like this and they can trail down, they can trail up, however you want them to go. I really love that. I'm super into home decor, and I just think that this adds such a beautiful element to my plant shelf. All right, so next up, I think this is my favorite Hoya, and it is the Hindy Rop. And for a long time that I had it, it did not grow at all. I can't remember where I got it, but I feel like it was Hertz online. So I think I got it there. I could be totally making that up. But for the longest time, it was not growing at all, and now it's growing little baby new leaves right here, and they start out really small and they get bigger, so it's been really fun to watch grow, and I just love how it curls. It reminds me so much of the Crinkle 8, which I have, and I'll show you guys, but it's just curled up. It's like a curled up Crinkle 8. I really love it. It's super cute. I rarely have to water this guy, and it's very, very happy. I love that about it. On my wish list is a variegated Hindy Rop. I did actually see some at a local nursery here in Houston, and I didn't pick them up. And I don't know what's wrong with me. I could literally kill myself because I want it so bad. And I want to say it was only like $40. Like it was pretty small, but it was $40. And at the time I just did not have any money I could spend on plants. And now I kind of have a little bit. So I'm like, ugh, I wish I could see it now. If I see it now, I'm definitely getting one. But yeah, that's my little Hindy Rop story. So next up is this one. It's a Crinkle 8, and it's called that because it has 8 little crinkles on each leaf, and I think that that's so fun. I don't really know any other plant that's like this. I think it's super cute. It is a very slow grower. I got this at a local nursery here also. Maybe I got the other one at the same nursery. I can't remember honestly, but it's finally showing new growth. I don't know if you guys could see these stems that it has that are very, very new. It never had that before, and now I can finally tell I'm gonna get some new leaves coming here soon, and I probably need to water this one because it's a little bit light. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. It's super cute, and I think once this and the Hindy Rop get a lot fuller, they'll be beautiful to hang. So I'm really excited for that. So another plant I got recently, and this is the same place that I got the pubic calyx splash. It's a Hoya Bilobata, and this one I literally just bought, so it had all this already, like these vines. It's not new, but I'm really happy with it because it's like a Hoya Bilobata splash. Are they all splashy? Because I'm not even sure. I feel like I've seen solid green ones, but mine have little white dots on them or little light green dots on them. So I really like that for that reason. Also, the new growth comes out like purple, like super, super dark, and then they get lighter, and I think that that's super fun. This did come with a hook so that I could hang it, but right now I just have it on my plant shelf, so I decided to take it off for now. But again, once this does get bigger and longer, I do plan to hang it. Next up, I have my Hoya Crimson, what I believe is a queen, and my Hoya Crimson Princess. So I could be mixing them up. This could be the queen and this could be the princess, but I'm pretty confident now that I've learned this is the queen, the darker foliage, and the lighter foliage is the princess. The thing that really attracted to me about this one is the light pink variegation on some of the leaves. I don't know if it's gonna look white on camera, but it's definitely like a light pink in person. A few of the leaves had that, and the one sucky thing is the pink variegation tends to die out and turn maybe green or white, I'm not even sure, but it does tend to die out. When I did get it, it had a lot more, so I was like, was it getting more light at the nursery that it was at? And that could be the case, but I do have it under grow light, so I'm a little unsure, but I do really like this one. I rarely have to water this one too. And the Crimson Princess has a lot more variegation on it. My favorite thing about the Crimson Princess that I wanted to mention is how the vines are like pink. They all come out that way, so I really love that. The exciting thing about this plant is that I found it at Walmart for $15, and you can see how full this is. I'm gonna let it vine a little bit longer out, but I will propagate it soon. And I wanted to ask you guys for your favorite Hoya propagation methods. I'm normally a water propagator, but I feel like with Hoyas, I always see people propagating with either like perlite, peat moss, sphagnum moss, other methods, not necessarily water propagation. So I want to know your favorite method if you're into Hoyas and what's been most successful for you. I've had really bad experiences propagating with sphagnum moss. It just killed my philodendron silver sword. So I'm a little wary about sphagnum moss, but I will try it if you guys recommend it for Hoyas. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. This is the Crimson Princess that I hope to propagate soon. So next up is actually propagations that I have, and they are actually water propagated, so don't kill me, but they're doing okay. It's just I know that the water propagation kills the leaves that are like close to the water. This is my Hoya Cartisi cutting, and as you can see, it does have some pretty nice roots on it so far. It's been in this water propagation jar for at least a month, maybe a little less, maybe like 3 weeks. And these are all the roots I have. They're pretty short. So I'm thinking that, you know, maybe that's the reason. Maybe it would have done better in another method. So that's also why I'm asking. I'm really hoping to be able to pot that up soon, but it's not really looking likely. I'm gonna reassess it again in a week. Same with this one. But this one is a Hoya Bilobata, and I've wanted this one for a long time just because the name is so cute. But again, the roots are pretty small for how long it's been in the water, about 3 weeks. But I guess it's not bad. It's not bad. I'm not saying it's bad, but it definitely could be longer. I'm an impatient person, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I really want to be able to pot them up, but they're just not ready yet. Those are my 2 Hoya cuttings that I purchased on Etsy. Super happy with it, and the seller that I bought it from often adds more Hoya cuttings to her listings, and now that I know that her plants come super healthy and well packaged, I will definitely be purchasing more on that Etsy shop. So if you guys want links to that, let me know and I'll put it in the description box. But yeah, that is my entire Hoya collection so far. I definitely plan to get a lot more. So let me know in the comments down below which Hoyas you guys really love. I'm really interested in getting the Sunrise next. That's like my wish list Hoya plant. So let me know what you guys want. So don't forget to also subscribe to my channel because I do post new videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. With that all being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.